here with another quick unboxing. Today I'm looking at the Anker Liberty Air 2 Pros. These are a true wireless pair of earphones that boast active noise cancellation at their pretty small price tag of about £100. So I'm really curious about these and I'm looking forward to giving them a go, but let's check out the box anyway. First off, the box has a nice texture to it, although that probably isn't communicatable via video. We've got a pure note technology with 10 nano layers on our driver, because, you know, the more nano layers, the better, right? And let's see what the buzzwords are. Okay, we've got targeted active noise cancellation. So active noise cancellation being listening to the surroundings and reducing the noise of ambient sounds. We've got pure note technology for sublime, yeah, whatever. Hear ID personalized sound. So I've heard there's quite a good app built for these earphones that apparently customize themselves to you. I'm not sure about that. Clear calls with 6 mics, so that'll be something I'll have to test. And reasonable battery life. This is very typical, this amount of battery life, about 7 hours on the buds and 26 hours on the case. That seems about right. Recommended by Grammy artists. I mean, I don't really know how much that's going to mean. Anyway, let's open this up. So, there we are. I mean, it's just a little flap, no box thing going on. And cool, I get to join the audio revolution. Wow, I'm really good at this. Okay, the plastic is out. So I've got my little case here. Sliding mechanism, reminds me of the Spirit Dot 2 kind of thing. Reasonable mechanism. Probably doesn't matter much. And we have the buds themselves, which are nicely tightly wedged in this thing. This is the first time I've held one of these buds in my hand. Quite large, not gonna lie, and struggling to focus on it. Reasonably large. I'm not sure how comfort's gonna go, I'm not sure how fit's gonna go. I think that's something I was curious about with these. Got the little kind of AirPod type design though, and I went with white because I managed to find them cheaper. I would have gone with black or grey probably, but see what else we have in... Man, this is really hard to... Wow. That is, yeah, not the best, but it's just a piece of plastic, cable, USB Type-C, yep, USB Type-C, that's good. I'm glad that's kind of a standard now, because standard manual type stuff. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 sets, no, wait, no, how many of them? There's 8 sets there, and then another one on here, so we've got a total of 9 sets of tips to put on there. So if I don't find a tip that fits, then, well, I don't know, I guess it's my ears that are wrong rather than the company being wrong. So cool. So yeah, don't know what else to say really. I'll have a full review out. I'm going to be testing these over the next few weeks, so do subscribe to stay tuned for the full review when that comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.